Not all reunions are created equal. Most would want to skip a high school or family reunion. But when it comes to reuniting with a long-lost pet, you'd have to be crazy not to show up.
Hi, Goose. Hi, buddy. How are you doing? How are things?
It's not every day you get a welcome home from a coyote.
I'm coming, I know. Oh my gosh, you're gonna grab your dish. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh my goodness. Did you miss me? Did you? Did you? I don't know if you did. I'm not sure that you did.
What's under the blanket? Oh, not much. Just his friend who moved abroad and hasn't seen him in forever.
Daisy. Hi. How are you? Oh my gosh. Do you want a hug? Come on. Give me a hug.
Two hairy creatures who've created a lifelong bond.
You like some life? Here.
Are we going on a walk? We going on an adventure?
Never go to college again! A rescue monkey who instantly recognizes their mom. The last thing you need after a heart attack is for your best friend to go missing. Luckily, only a few days later, they were reunited.
Did you miss your daddy?
Yes, you're my baby. Okay.
Okay, sit. Hey,
Hold it down. Okay.
come here, Mama. Come right down.
When you don't have a home, a pet can mean more than anything else in the world.
Let's have a look at you. Yep, that's her.
That's her?
That's her. She's got the blind eye.
Yeah.
That's her.
Yeah, we
Yep,
recognise
she
that.
remembers me. Yep, kiss, kiss. Yep, she
Oh, there you
remembers.
go.
Thank you.
Good on you.
Thanks. Sorry to put you all through the trouble looking for
No,
her.
that's okay.
Even after 2.5 years, there was only one way this predator was gonna greet his old friend.
Remember me? You remember? Hey, buddy, how are you doing? How's my buddy doing? How's my buddy Gabriel doing, huh? Hello, remember me, buddy, huh? Got my beard? Oh, I grew this beard out just for you. Yeah, I grew this beard out just for you. Right. You're pretty.
Don't let anybody ever tell you that cats don't enjoy public displays of affection. Never too sick to see their best friend. Have you ever been picked up from the airport by a monkey? Of course you haven't, but she has.
Hi, baby.
She's so happy to see her sissy.
I know, I can't believe it either. What is it? Oh.
It had been a few years, but it also was just like yesterday. He's under a sheet and wearing camouflage, but neither of those were enough to fool his furry friends. Pigs are more capable of showing human emotions than most humans. The kind of overwhelming emotion that can only come from finding your lost dogs.
Crying and hugging the dogs, they're his. He lost them over the weekend.
Show you pictures, everything.
Okay, so right now they're doing a photo shoot.
Warning, we here at Akimbo do not recommend hugging random lions at the zoo. This trainer is clearly an exception. This little guy does not bother to hide how overjoyed he is to see his human. He's not the only one who's happy that he's home. Her majestic and fluffy friend is no longer with us, but the memory of their love remains strong. Ever seen an excited parrot? You have now. There are joyful reunions, and then there are sad goodbyes.
Roberto Gonzalez's one last dying wish, a reunion with his two best friends, Sugar and Ringo, in the hospital. They're so close, it's almost as if they're kissing.
If a dog gets too happy, their brains just kinda short circuit. She thought she'd lost her cat, and she's just about to find out she hasn't.
Oh my God! Oh! Dude! I can't do it.
After 3 days of flooding, she was finally reunited with her precious feline. Just a dolphin going in for a hug, nothing to see here. If this penguin was any happier, he'd explode. A dog never forgets their dog sitter. Soldiers have tough jobs, but so do bomb-sniffing dogs. So when they're reunited, there's nothing but joy.
Sergeant Jason Boss was reunited Wednesday with the war dog, Sela, he worked with for nearly 5 years.
When this camel became homesick, he escaped his new owners and made the 100-kilometer journey back home. This injured cop forgot about his injuries when his faithful partner stopped by to see him.
Hey, Leon. Hey, buddy. I missed you. Hey. I missed you. Hey. I love you. I know you're crazy.
After 25 years together, it was finally time to say goodbye. This piglet was rescued. See if you can spot who was the rescuer. The touching moment a boy is reunited with his giant lizard. I never thought I'd say that sentence.
You're so baby. Oh my God, I need to hug you. Oh my God.
How was your day?
Pretty bad.
Remember your school days? When every day you would be welcomed home by an excited rooster? A group of humans have never been this happy to see a parrot.
Peoplekosh, the lost parrot, is finally going home.
You miss me, eh? You miss me?
After a week of worry and wonder, the DeFreitas family is reunited with their beloved pet.
This means a lot to a lot of people.
Thanks to a good Samaritan and CTV News.
And you thought dogs gave you a good welcome home. Running away to join the circus isn't as fun as it sounds. And this poor monkey is so glad to see a friendly face again.
This is like a baby. This is like a baby.
It's my baby. That's funny. You know, 1 year.
Oh, this is
1 year and
heartbreaking.
now she's.
But he knows it. She knows.
This veteran had lost everything. But this is the moment his precious dogs were returned to him.
I was about to say, yeah, he loves the toy. Come here, baby.
No, it can't really be here, can it?
Who's that, Steph? Who's that? Who is that?
Another trainer reuniting with a very large cat. Is it just me, or is anyone else starting to really want a pet monkey? If you spend any time living with wolves, then you'll always be a member of the pack.
It was wonderful to see them again.
The best kind of hug? Goose hugs, of course.
For 2 weeks. We had to have our big snuggle. Right, Goosey? Yes, we did. Let's have our big hug and kiss.
Get your Kleenex ready. Here's a sick zoo worker getting a goodbye kiss from one of his giraffes. The bond between woman and horse can truly be a special one.
All these people have chipped in and done some and have been praying for you. And
Even before the car door opens, he knows he can smell a very special visitor. There are very few things more heartwarming than a lost dog being returned to its family.
Oh, there you go, Charlie.
They were apart for years, and now they're not, and neither of them could be happier. How affectionate can a camel be? Wait and see.
يوم شافته تلوت عليه ما عاد فكت ونحاول نخلصها منها وعيت
بس يا محسن بتطيح
لا بتخليك عندها
والله انا داخل.
After being separated after a bomb blast, these two best friends were finally reunited.
Yeah, we've been here every day looking for him. And, oh, wow.
He's been fat, overly fat.
Oh, you've had so much.
Nobody welcomes you home like a dog. Sorry, I mean a donkey.
Hi. Hi, buddy. I miss you. Hey, buddy.
After 3 months apart, this touching moment occurred.
Is that Papa?
Where's my guy? Where's my guy? Hi, baby. There he is.
Oh, despite the chair, he came right to you.
Sweetheart. How's my bird, huh?
Is that your Papa?
Yes.
Oh, Darcy.
There he is.
I'm not sure Watson the squirrel is quite as thrilled about this reunion as she is.
You smell all the places I've been?
Camel hugs are underrated.
لا تبكي والله. قسم بالله لا تبكي. صبر دمك. فكرت يوم حياتي مرحومة جينا وياها. دلقت راسي لي. شو الدموع. يا رجل صورني خبر حتى نبكي بعد النهي. كلنا بكينا. الله يجعل
A month after his last visit, his new goose friend was still pleased to see him.
Oh, hi, Goose. Hi, Goose. Hi, buddy. How are you doing? How are things? How are things going, huh? Are you doing good?
Well, if we've learned anything from this video, it's that cockatoos really don't bother to hide their excitement.
Nice to see you. I missed you. Now I love you. Yes, sirree.
I'm sure we all get a similar heartfelt hello from our pet wolves. Reunited after 6 months apart, and it feels so good.
I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Donkeys. They're just big dogs, really.
Hi, fella. Oh, look at you. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, look at you. He's done. Oh, look at that. He's done out here for the carrots. Oh.
Another strangely friendly lion welcoming an old friend. After much searching, they finally found each other. There ain't no greeting like a doggy greeting.
Hi, buddy. Hi. 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 Come up here. Oh, hi.
Who needs a scarf when you've got a cat that's missed you?
Так сильно папу любишь.
It was a long 6 months of deployment waiting for this big moment. I'm not crying. You're crying. The boy whose best friend was a chicken. When a lion gives you a bear hug.
Pictures because look at that. Well, the lion is called Serga, and she was rescued from a holding pen established by a farmer who was fed up with shooting animals that preyed on his cattle, and Unconditional has devoted his life.
He suddenly lost all interest in his daily walk. One of those times when you really don't need a slippery floor. This runaway parrot eventually found his way home again.
No, I just see Google. No? What the fuck? Huh?
Canine reunions are something you can never get tired of watching.
Oh, honey.
Is it really him, or is this just a doggy hallucination? Birds and humans just seem to have a special connection. Who knew? Never underestimate a little girl's love for her pooches. A real farmer showing how much his animals love him. Hey, where have you been? What's wrong with our freezing cold forest? You went missing for almost a day. They never stopped looking the entire time.
Okay.
There's nothing quite like being embraced by a small pair of wings. These are wild boars, but there's nothing boring about this moment. After the Turkey earthquake, this young girl thought her cat passed. She was wrong. Everybody should be welcomed home like this.
Who's that? Hi, bud. Who's that? You good? The Birdman has returned home.
If you'd like to be reunited with the Akimbo team as soon as possible, then all you need to do is click subscribe.